Are you looking for the best portable dryers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Euhomy 110V Portable Clothes Dryer. Euhomy Portable Dryer is a compact and portable laundry dryer with powerful 850W power. It has a large capacity of 10 pounds, making it perfect for small spaces such as apartments, dorm rooms, or bedrooms. The dryer offers different drying modes for different fabrics and weights, ensuring that your clothes are dried efficiently. With a 105 degrees door opening and a see-through window, you can easily put in and take out your clothes while keeping an eye on their status. The dryer is also equipped with a 3-layer cotton filter to effectively filter lint and prevent it from flying out. It is ETL and DOE certified, guaranteeing safety and quality. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of Euhomy Portable Dryer. What we like: compact size, quiet operation, easy to use, works well in small spaces, soft, wrinkle-free clothes. What we don't like: no end-of-cycle buzzer, longer drying time. Number 2. Panda 1.5 cu.ft Electric Portable Clothes Dryer. The Panda 110V 850W Electric Compact Portable Clothes Laundry Dryer is the perfect choice for small living spaces. With a stainless steel tub and a capacity of 1.5 cu.ft, it is ideal for drying babies' clothes, small loads like underwear, pajama, yoga suit, t-shirts, towel, handkerchief, socks, etc. It is easy to use, with a timer to set the desired temperature, and it is light-weighted and compact-sized with a removable lint filter and mounting brackets included. Customers have found it to be a great choice for their laundry needs, with some noting that it takes 2 cycles to get everything 100% dry. What we like: compact size for small spaces, efficient drying performance, quiet operation, easy setup and controls, standard 110V outlet compatible. What we don't like: small load capacity, occasional durability concerns. Number 3. COSTWAY Portable Clothes Dryer 1.5 cu foot. The COSTWAY Compact Clothes Dryer offers a reliable drying solution with its sturdy stainless steel drum and 800W power, providing warm air up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit to dry up to 10 pounds of laundry efficiently. You can choose from 5 drying modes, including gentle cold air and settings for bulky items, allowing you to tailor the drying process to your clothes and save time. Safety is a priority with automatic temperature control, overheat and overcurrent protection, and an automatic stop feature when the door opens, giving you peace of mind. Its compact design fits small spaces like apartments and RVs, and you can install it freestanding, stacked, under counters, or wall-mounted for flexible use. What we like: compact size for one person, quick drying performance, easy to use, high-end appearance, time-saving. What we don't like: drying may be slow for some. Number 4. ROVSUN Portable Clothes Dryer. The ROVSUN Portable Clothes Dryer is a powerful and compact dryer that is perfect for small spaces like apartments, dormitories, and RVs. It features 850W of power and a maximum capacity of 10 pounds, with a highest temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The simple control knob and stainless steel tub make it easy to operate, and the classic white color adds a touch of elegance to any laundry room. Customers have praised its performance, noting that it is quiet and efficient, though it may take a bit longer to dry clothes than a full-size dryer. What we like: compact size for small spaces, quick and efficient drying, quiet operation, easy to use, lightweight and portable. What we don't like: small capacity, low wattage, longer dry times. Number 5. Euhomy 3.5 cu.ft Portable Laundry Dryer. The Euhomy portable dryer offers a powerful 1500W motor that quickly dries your clothes at temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, saving you time especially after spin drying. Its unique front and back flip feature ensures your laundry tumbles evenly, preventing tangles and wrinkles, so your clothes come out soft and ready to wear. You can choose from 4 drying modes, including an intelligent setting that adjusts drying time based on humidity, making it perfect for all fabric types. The thoughtfully designed wide door and transparent window let you easily load and check your clothes, while the machine automatically stops if the door opens, keeping you safe during use. What we like: high power and fast drying. Two-way flip for wrinkle-free clothes. Multiple drying modes including smart sensor. Wide door with safety stop.